This video will show you how to unpack and assemble your CardioMEMS HERO device. Select the location in your home that will be most convenient and comfortable for taking your daily readings. The area should be free of objects that could cause interference with the HERO device, such as power supplies, tablets, phones, electric blankets, cables, spring mattresses or box springs, and heating pads. You will need a supportive surface large enough to comfortably lie down on the device. The HERO device includes the antenna pad, a connected handheld controller, power supply, power cord, and power cord clip. Other accessories include a controller strap, zipper pulls, and orientation ball. Zipper pulls of different colors are provided to differentiate multiple units in a home or facility. You should never use another person's HERO device to take a reading. Your HERO device will require a power outlet. To set up the power cord and power supply, insert the power cord into the power supply. Attach the included power cord clip onto the power supply by positioning the small hook of the clip on the thinnest section between the power supply and the power cord, just below the knob. Then, place the double hook on the other side of the power supply. Insert the power cord into the top end of the HERO device. The cable should cross the USB port as shown. Plug the other end of the power cord into the electrical outlet. The green light on the power supply should turn on. If it does not, make sure the power cord is securely inserted into the power supply. An elastic controller strap is included with your HERO device. If you choose, the strap can be used to help you hold the controller. It can be applied by peeling off the adhesive backing and placing the strap on the controller. To turn on your CardioMEMS HERO device, press and hold the power button on top of the controller. The first time your device is powered on, it will take you through the setup process. During the initial setup, you will be able to select your preferred language and select the volume and sounds you prefer to hear when you take a reading. After setup is complete, you should verify that your name appears on the welcome screen when you power on the system.